Hello everyone! In this video, we will explore how to create a Capcut template on Instagram. So let's get into it. Firstly, navigate to the Instagram app on your mobile phone and tap to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the bottom menu, tap on the search icon to open the search page. In this page, type Capcut templates in the top search bar and tap the search button on the keyboard. Please keep in mind that we cannot create a template directly in Capcut on Instagram, but we can use the music from a template. Select a video template that you like. From the bottom, tap on the music line to use it. Tap on Use Audio again. From the bottom left of this page, tap on the gallery icon to access your gallery. Select a photo or video that you want to use. Then, tap on Next. Here, you can apply filters to enhance video visibility. You can also edit the media file or add text to the video. Once you are done, from the top of the screen, tap on the arrow to move to the next step. Finally, tap on Next to post this video on your Instagram account. And there you have it. This is how you can use Capcut templates on Instagram to create engaging and dynamic content. I hope this video has been helpful. For more informative content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.